Hey there, I just wanted to give you the instructions on how to install the harness for the Q7. So if you have your OEM bar, like that, then what you would need to do is basically you have your four original holes here for the 4 bolts, like this kind. So they usually go right here. So you should have like a cap. So remove the cap and remove these bolts. And what you're going to do is just add on these 2 holes right here. And the way to do it is the harness is going to come with this bracket. So what you want to do is basically just align the hole, the circle, to the circle. Just align it like that. And then in your new holes that you're gonna make, you're basically going to Sharpie that in. Sharpie here. And you're gonna create these 2 holes to secure it. So you're gonna do basically this one here. Okay, and then you are going to use, like I was saying, you're going to use 2 drill bits. You're going to do this one first if you want to kind of mark it, the 316. And then to make the hole, you're going to do the 1364. Okay, go here. Basically, let's see. You're going to go in. It was pretty simple, so I'm pretty sure you can do it too. Okay, so first thing you want to do is install your bracket, and it's gonna go like that. So what you're going to do first is you're gonna put this longer bolts here, 1, 2, and you're gonna twist this a little so you can put it through the cable. You're gonna straighten it out, put this here. So that's what it's gonna look like that. Next, you're gonna put this bolt here. And we're gonna secure it with a nut. Like so. And then we're gonna do the other one on the other side. Like so. So you have 4, so we'll have 2 more on the bottom. Get a little, make sure there's a little snug. So it's completely secure. Perfect. That's what it's gonna look like. Okay. So after you have this 2 right here, but then since you have this nuts right here, you need to compensate this right here. Okay, so what you're going to do afterwards, you're gonna have to put 4 washers, 1, 2, 3, 4 washers on one side and 1 bolt, and then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 washers on the other side. Okay, so now we're even. This is gonna compensate here, so it's gonna be even with this. It's gonna be even. Okay, so after that, we're gonna put this on the bracket, and then I'll show you. You're gonna secure it. You're gonna put it there, and then after, on the other side, you're gonna put this one. So the bracket's gonna sit in the middle. So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna put one of these secure washers, and then finally your little the little nut. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like before you actually install it in your bracket. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have those 4 washers on each side, so it's flush with the other nuts, and then you're gonna push them in. And what you're gonna do there, I'll show you right now because it's really hard with 2 hands. I'm gonna put the rest of the stuff so you can see what it is. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like once it's installed. You're gonna get 1 washer, the pressure washer, and then the nut, and that's a 10 millimeter. So you can simply get either socket, a 10 millimeter socket. Maybe you're not gonna be able to put a 3/8, maybe like a 1/4 ratchet there, or that's what it's gonna look like. Okie dokie. Okay, so lastly, I just wanted to show you that I marked the little tiny bolts and nuts so you don't get them confused, because these are right here, these are 10 millimeters, these are a little smaller. Okay, so when you remove this bracket, to kind of get the idea where you're gonna make the holes on your bar, make sure you mix them right. You have to make sure the 10s go here and these are smaller. Okay, so I just marked them.